Welcome to TechXplorer, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated OnePlus Ace 5 Pro, a phone built for power users, gamers, and photography enthusiasts alike. With a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, the beastly Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a 50MP triple camera system, and a massive 6100 mAh Glacier battery with 100W fast charging, this device is packed with flagship features. But that's not all. The Ace 5 Pro also introduces the gaming-focused Wi-Fi G1 chip for unparalleled network stability during gameplay. Stick around as we explore every aspect of this gaming and performance powerhouse. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro boasts a premium design that's both sleek and robust. The curved edges and ultra-slim profile give it a sophisticated look, while the Gorilla Glass Victus protection ensures durability. Its matte finish back panel minimizes fingerprints and enhances grip, making it ideal for daily use. Available in stunning glacier blue and volcanic black, the phone appeals to both minimalists and bold design lovers. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display on the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is a visual treat. With 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support, it delivers stunning visuals, whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. The 1500 nits peak brightness ensures excellent outdoor visibility, while the 100% DCI-P3 color gamut provides rich and accurate colors. From deep blacks to vibrant hues, this display elevates every visual experience. For gamers, the high refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth gameplay, making the Ace 5 Pro a perfect companion for competitive gaming. Under the hood, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on the cutting-edge 4nm architecture. This chipset offers flagship-level performance, handling everything from high-end gaming to multitasking with ease. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the phone ensures lightning-fast app launches and seamless multitasking. The Adreno 750 GPU takes care of graphically intensive games like Call of Duty Mobile and Fortnite, delivering smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. The inclusion of the gaming-focused Wi-Fi G1 chip ensures unparalleled network stability, eliminating lag and disconnections during gaming sessions. The 50MP triple camera setup on the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is designed to capture professional-grade photos and videos. The 50MP primary sensor delivers sharp and vibrant images with impressive dynamic range, thanks to OIS, optical image stabilization, and advanced AI enhancements. The 8MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture stunning landscapes with minimal distortion. The 2MP macro lens is perfect for close-up shots, revealing intricate details. For video enthusiasts, the phone supports 8K video recording, providing cinematic quality footage with excellent stabilization. The 16MP front camera ensures crisp and vibrant selfies, even in low-light conditions. The 6100 mAh Glacier battery is one of the standout features of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. It's designed to keep up with your busiest days, offering extended screen-on time for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. When it's time to recharge, the 100W fast charging technology gets you from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. This is perfect for users who are always on the go. Additionally, OnePlus has implemented advanced heat management technology to ensure safe and efficient charging without overheating. Gaming enthusiasts will love the gaming-focused Wi-Fi G1 chip, which ensures stable and fast connections during online gameplay. Whether you're playing PUBG, Apex Legends, or Genshin Impact, you'll experience zero lag and maximum performance. The phone also features Hyper Touch technology, reducing touch latency for quicker responses, and dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. Combine this with a powerful GPU and smooth display, and you have got a gaming device that's hard to beat. Running on ColorOS 15, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro offers a clean and intuitive user experience. Built on Android 15, it introduces enhanced privacy controls, smoother animations, and improved multitasking capabilities. Features like the Smart Sidebar provide quick access to your favorite apps, while the customizable always-on display adds a personal touch. With seamless updates and a plethora of customization options, ColorOS 15 ensures a user-friendly experience. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is expected to be priced at around $799, placing it in the premium segment. Competing with devices like the Realme GT5 Pro and Xiaomi 14T Pro Plus, it offers a unique combination of performance, gaming features, and a massive battery. For gamers and power users, this phone stands out as a strong contender in its price range. So, is the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro worth your investment? Absolutely. From its powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and immersive AMOLED display to its advanced camera system and game-changing Wi-Fi G1 chip, this phone is built for those who demand the best. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechXplorer for more in-depth reviews and insights. See you in the next video.